BZH here from BigZachsHouse. So I decided to get a second Lego Goodwill Blue Box here. This is 15 pounds of Lego for $65. I did well on the first go around, so figured I'd give it another try. Took about a week to get here. I ordered it last Friday and got here today. So about 8 days, we'll call it. I won't include the day I ordered it. We'll go ahead and dump this thing out and see what we have. Hoping for some minifigures. You can get any type of Lego in here. You can get not Mega Blocks, but like the bigger version, Duplo or whatever. Just regular size Lego. You can get some minifigures. I've seen people get things sealed in the box. So we'll see. Right off the bat, I got some type of minifigure. I think this kind of looks like a Harry Potter figure. We'll go ahead and dump this thing out. We got some type of sealed bag in here. Dump some into here. What is this? This is certainly not a Lego. That's a Cabbage Patch?
Cabbage Patch.
It's a Cabbage Patch Kid.
Zachary's gonna be excited though. You got more Duplo.
I got a lot of Duplo, so yeah, Zachary will be excited. Something from what, Cars or whatever?
I don't know.
I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna go to town here and just dump this whole freaking thing out. And then whatever mess it makes. Never ending. All right, now we have all of it out. We definitely got more Duplo this time around. Look at this thing. Is that a little pig? He's pretty cool. Got some sealed things this time, so maybe we got some type of, looks like, kind of reminds me of like a Lego Friends set. But the first stuff I got here was mostly Duplo and some random figures. Looks like we got some type of Dalmatian over here. You can also get Mega Blocks, so this looks like
There's hairs.
Mega Blocks here. This stuff's all used, obviously. I mean, they just throw 15 pounds in there, whatever you get. Yeah, it's a Mega Block. We'll see. You know, my plan is to go through and see if I can find any figures or anything that's worth selling separately. And then from there, probably just unload. I like to pull some pieces out, like certain pieces that I might need for spare parts, and then just kind of sell the rest in a bulk lot. SpongeBob. So I guess they don't do the very, it's like a karate SpongeBob. He's pretty cool. With some random horses and stuff here. Yeah, so I don't know what exactly had. It looks like so far I've gotten one minifigure that I can see, and then a Duplo figure. But it's definitely a lot of Lego. Some sealed bags. It kind of reminds me. I think there might be like a friend set in here. Didn't come with any instructions or anything. The last set I got had a Star Wars, some type of X-Wing. I think somebody customized. Here, not so much, but I definitely got more Duplo here, which I think might be a good thing, because I think Duplo is a little bit more valuable if I wanted to sell it. Along with some base plates here, which these can be valuable too. Use these for some of my reviews or different things, or mock builds. Blue base plate, purple. So, the big ones. So we'll see. I'll go through all this stuff, see if I can find any minifigures. And then I'll wrap it up and show you guys any minifigures that I got. All right, so the second half of this video for the Goodwill Blue Box. Again, this is 15 pounds of Lego. You can get Duplo, Lego, Mega Blocks. We got some Tyco stuff. So I basically threw away a lot of the stuff that wasn't a Lego brand, or I siphoned through as much as I could. So we have a whole bin here of Duplo, which if you're a Lego fan and you have kids, you know that Duplo is not cheap. So we got some type of farm set with quite a few figures here. We got a little dog there, we got a cat, and then there's some other figures that we got here too. They got two of these little farmer guys here. So I would say that we got a sheep. There's definitely some type of farming set in here. So I would say that this box was pretty much worth it for just the Duplo. I could definitely turn this Duplo around and sell it for probably more than $60 at this point in time, but my kids will enjoy the Duplo. So good for them in this haul. They definitely got a little bit more lucky than I did. And then I filled up one of my bins here of all Lego. Nothing like the last video where I got like an X-Wing or anything. Just random parts here. I do think that we got some type of Lego Friends set in here, as well as some type of like police set. There was a lot of printed pieces that said Shell on it, so there might have been something like a gas station set of some sort. Got like 4 or 5 of these sealed bags, so I'm sure that that's something to do with Lego Friends. I'm actually gonna look this up. This Legoland hotel thing looks pretty cool. If anything, I'll at least hang on to this for myself. I think that's a pretty cool little piece to have. And then I put all like the printed pieces I could find in here. Kind of old school Lego Racers car, pretty neat. That might be worth something. Have I look that up and do some research here. And then we got some like random things in here that were tossed in that aren't Lego at all that we kept. Some type of, because I got Burger King SpongeBob toy. It's pretty cool. My kids find SpongeBob to be pretty hilarious, even though we don't let them watch too much. And then these things right here are some type of other toy. I think they're like Toy Mobile or something like that. I'm not really sure. Some little Cabbage Patch Kid. A couple little races. There was like a Valvoline like race car that had like a bunch of pieces, and we couldn't really get them all together, so we just ended up throwing those in the trash. When you get stuff like this, sometimes you just have to just cut your loss with certain things and just toss things in the trash. From the minifigure perspective, we got a couple figures. This guy looks to be complete. Here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete minifigures and the horse. And some of these other figures missing an arm here. I assume this probably goes in there. There's a couple random heads that probably would go with that. This head's not in the very best shape. This looks like he's had a rough life, nonetheless. And these little other mini figures here, I'm not sure what they are, where they came from. I have a feeling that these could be the biggest part of the haul. Like they might be worth the most money, or I could be completely wrong. It could be worth like $1 or something. I'm not really sure. Could be another complete minifigure here with the torso and the legs, and then one of these heads might be the right piece here, or this blue body here, and then a little race car helmet and a hair piece here. So all in all, I think this is probably a pretty good haul. Nice little $65 spend here. I did well in the last one. I ended up spending whatever, $65, and I'm selling some base plates from it for $25, and then I sold all the other random pieces for another $65. So I made, call it $25 there in profit, plus I kept some of the minifigures and different things. So definitely made money off it. It was worth the time. It was very minimal investment. So let me know what you guys think. The Lego Goodwill Blue Boxes drop every Friday at 6 o'clock. And they drop at 6 o'clock on the dot, and they're usually gone by like 6:01. So if you're interested in getting one of these things, just go to the Goodwill website and you can pick these up. They do all kinds of different boxes. I don't have any type of affiliate link for Goodwill, but definitely cool. It's always fun to get some neat stuff and not know what you're getting and kind of take a risk. So one of these days, I'm probably gonna do another one. Probably next week I'll try. I tried for like 2 months between the last one and this one. Finally got lucky. So we'll be doing another one here, and hopefully get lucky with some Star Wars stuff or some real valuable stuff. But all in all, I think it was a good pickup just for these Duplos. So I think these Duplos pretty much all the money. I could definitely sell all these and make all my money back if I wanted to. So I could definitely make a profit. So if you're just looking to do something and maybe take a chance, have some good entertainment and not know what you're getting just for the thrill of it, go ahead and pick this up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.